What is up, my internet friends and family? I'm Charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to Dick Figures, Zombies, and Shotguns, episode 11. Now, I haven't reacted to Dick Figures in quite some time, so hopefully this is going to be pretty funny. And with that being said, the original link's in the description, and let's begin. What did that bee say?
Seriously, dude, you don't need a shotgun. Are you kidding? I've been trying to get this bag of chips open for like a week. This bag was made by Satan. See? See? I just want some chips. What the? Zombies! Oh, damn. Touché, bag. Come on, dude. I'm so fucked! Quick, these dudes want to eat your chips. Oh, fuck that! You dead! Who dead? You dead! Boomer!
Wait, isn't that from a game?
This way!
I forget what game.
Get a chainsaw! Good idea!
He's still trying to open the chips.
No, for the zombies, you retard! Zombies? What zombies? You! Damn it! Brain shot!
Hey, bros, this is like crazy, right?
I don't think that guy was a zombie. I know.
The perfect murder.
Oh my god! That must be where the outbreak started! Those cinnamon swirls are irresistible! I haven't had any yet. Ryan. Dead end. Good one. I wish I had fingers. Fuck yeah.
Yo, that's a meme right there. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. This was pretty funny, and my favorite part would have been when they were in the store, and the normal person comes over and is like, bros, this is pretty crazy, right? And then the guy just like chainsaws him, because I don't know why. He just murders him in cold blood. But with that being said, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Possibly share it with a friend. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and join the family today. And if you're interested in any YouTube news, make sure you check out my YouTube news channel. The link's in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop!